What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Hitting up more shops on Black Friday. I think I'm gonna be out here all day. But and Watts. Yeah, I do got a Nike community store. Let's go check it out. Hope you guys have been watching my videos. 30% off entire store. Got a ton of LAPD here. I was like, why do you got so many LAPD? And they're just making sure there's order out here. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's check out 30% off. See if they got any heat. They even got LAPD in store. Dang, I haven't seen that. All right, let's look around. Let's look around. 30% off entire store. Looking for family member size 9.5. That's kind of what I've been looking for. Nothing, man. Nothing. Well, not nothing. Just the stuff I'm looking for. Got some French blue 13s. These are size 9.5. Go for $2. Be able to get that 30 off, man. Super fire. There's no way that's regular price. Tons of these LeBrons. These will go for regular price. What the hell, really? Some 19s. I don't know. It said 110, but I don't know. These here, 210. 210, those are 9.5. Even in size 9. If I could find an Air Force One in size 9, I'd grab them. But yeah, because the Air Force Ones run a little big. Killshot 2 leather size 9 for 85. Phantom React Flyknits go for 110. Damn, I think the deals at Denim Exchange were better. 50% off everything. Go Fly Ease. I'm looking for different colorways of this in a size 12. That's 90. Size 9 LeBrons go for $100. So that goes down to what, 70? Not too shabby. Wait, what size is this? Oh, size 11. I was like, dang it. This was size 9 or 9.5. Oh, I guess I could scan it. Let me scan it and see what I find. They do have a size 9.5. The nephew that I'm buying for, he wore some Kyrie's. He wore the Kyrie Infinities, and he said 9.5 fit just fine. So I know these run a little big. Wonder if I should just grab the 9.5. It is 30% off, but on the website it is 20% off. Like you get full box everything, and they have a size 9. They don't have a size 9 here, so thinking about it. 2090s right here. These are size 8, go for 130. Usually I'm just here to show you guys whatever they got, but it's like distracting trying to see everything here and then try to shop for someone else. Size 8 Metcons go for 80. Look at this, Kyrie's all white. But it doesn't have white laces. Dang it, if they had a bigger one of these, I'd totally cop it. $80. Dang it, if they had a 9.5 of these, I'd totally cop that. No. Dang it. Starting to see more refurbished stuff here. This is like where you can find some crazy steals. Like size 7 right here. This is $70. You get that 30 off on top of that. These Immortalities go for $51. This is like new. $51, you get 30 on top of that. Wow. Did check the Nike website, and the Air Force Ones are they're exempt. They're exempt from the 20% off deal. So I'm gonna grab these 9.5, and hopefully they fit them, dude. To be able to get 30% off Air Force One is not bad. Now we're in the size 10s, the Blazer Low Jumbos going for 95. Right, there is a power outage here, but we're still filming. $120 for these. Phantom React Flyknits, these are 9.5. The Go Fly Ease, these are a size 10. I'm looking for a size 12. Oh, there's just too much colors on this one though. Too many colors. $90. It is dark as hell in here, but we still going. $50 for the Tailwind 79s. This is what, $35 after discount. Detroit 5s, $85 for these. Air Max 97s, $185 for these. Got another one right here. Pretty bright. That's your thing. $185 for those as well. Alpha Flies, we've been seeing these here and there. $175 for these. Those normally go for $275, so solid discount. All black Kyrie's going for a regular price, so what the heck. Power is back. $60 for these Pegasus 38s. Get that extra 30 off. Air Force One Premiums, $150 for these. Got these bad boys right here. Jordan 36s go for $185. We're in the size 11s apparently. Air Max 1 Premiums go for $180. Max Terra Escape 90s go for $115. Flight 89s go for $90. 12.5 total max up tempos. That's actually fire, dude. $85. $85, you do get that 30 off. And the size 13 now apparently. LeBron's going for retail, $230. This is, I think, my favorite colorway of the Infinities right here. $140 for these. All right, the benches are taken. Look at this. Look at this. So they did bring me the 9.5. The only one they have is a refurb. It is gently worn. So I'm gonna. It says gently worn, but I don't see any wear and tear. Whenever I buy like any refurb stuff, like right here, like whether that's clean, that's the most important part for me. It doesn't look like it's worn at all. Like no creases, nothing. And then look at the price. Look at the freaking price. $55. You do get that 30% off on top of that. So holy crap, getting these for almost free, but $30-something. Are you effing serious? That's crazy. There's an R right there for refurb. Who gives the F, dude? Who gives the F? That is insane. That is new though. I've never seen them mark the sneakers with an R right there for refurbished. Wow, I don't blame them for doing that. That's what's up. That's what's up. Especially since I'm able to get it so cheap. Almost free. That's what's up. All right, with the huge sizes, I really didn't see much, so we're gonna hit up the aisles. Dude got some kill shots right here. Blazer lows. Even all these regular prices, they are legit because you get that 30 off. Saw that at Dem Exchange. Hopefully you guys saw that video. Hopefully you guys saw my shorts. I even threw a short out there so you guys could try to get there. Dude, the shorts were up by before 9 a.m. So there were 3 hours before their 50% off sale was gone. But yeah, dude got these 30% off. Damn, those are bright as hell, man. I hope my camera's alright. Dude got these Jordan 36 lows. These are the Luka PEs, up to size 10.5. 200Es. Another one of these Jordan 200Es. Jordan Access, going for the price they should, right? A little more than that. Way too much now, way too much. 6 rings. Couple of liftoffs. Alley-oops. Another one of those. 80 Trey 5.9s. Another one of those. And another couple more. 80 15s. Soldier 14s. Not seeing the crazy stuff. Other than this though, this is just a steal. This is, oh my god, can't believe I'm able to get these for so freaking cheap. You got some Witness 5s, another one of those. Witness 6s, got a few. Jordan Hydros right there. Take one takes right here. Jordan 36 lows, Pegasus 38s, 39s, Pegasus Trails, Infinity Run Flying at 2s. Immortalities, a quartet, quart 5. How do you say 5? I don't know, man. I don't remember all those words from high school. Quartet. What's after quartet? I don't know. Quintuple. I don't know. But yeah, got 5 different colorways. I'm all entertaining myself. Y'all like, what the hell is this fool talking about? All right, Flytrap 5s. Another one of those. PG 5s. Haven't seen these in a while. Another Trey 5.9. Are checking the women's section, the women's clearance section. Lately, they've just been getting no love. Like, women's sections have all just been awful. But we'll still check it out. Women's series ES right here. It's not bad. $60. I'm not a fan of the color blocking of the material, but $60, and then you get another 30% off. So what is that? I don't know. That's cheap as hell. $42. Got multiple sizes, 11.5 OGs right here. Go for $80. That's a size 12. Blazer mids, go for retail. You should get the 30 off. Right next to that, Air Force One platforms, go for 110. Size 11 women's. Air Max 90, size 10.5 refurbished, go for $65, gently worn. And a lot of these supposed gently worn, look at that, like they haven't been worn. These have not been worn. Like you just don't see any wear and tear, which is funny because we've seen like ones at the regular outlets that are a hell of a lot more worn and they try to get regular price. I don't know. I don't really understand how these work. Air Force One Shadows go for $75. Starting to see a lot more refurbished stuff here, which is dope. The program hasn't been open for that long here. Size 9.5 Flex Experience go for $33. Metcon size 9.5 go for $60. This says gently worn. All the ones that say gently worn, I don't think they've been worn. Not one of them. Maybe they don't, I don't know. Maybe they don't use like new anymore. Alpha Fly Next Percent go for retail size 9.5. 8.5 Do got some shadows, some bright colors. $1.40 for those, size 8.5. I swear I think I said 8.5 twice on that one. But Air Force One, more Air Force One shadows. This one's dope with all the different materials. This is fire. That is fire. $140, size 8. Air Max 97s go for $185. More Alpha Flies. These are $130, size 8. Wow, $130. That's under $100. Air Max 2090, size 8.5 go for $100. More Alpha Flies. $275 for this one. So $275 and then $130. That's funny. Size 8. Got plenty of these, I guess, in different sizes. What's this? This is the funky ones. The Furiosas. Size 8 going for retail, though, man. Invincible Run Flying It's going for $90. Size 7.5. That's a steal. 2090s. Size 8 going for $130. Size 6.5 going for $180. $130 for these, size 7. All right, we'll check out the aisles and the women's, and we're gonna get out of here, man. I got other spots to hit up. Packages 37s. Another one of those. Dang, dude. 3 different ones. 38s. Another one of those. Even the 39s. I can't believe these are already out and they're already at the outlets. I guess fools just aren't buying much at all, like just everybody. All right, you got some Dunks. Different displays of the same shoe. Wow. And got these right here, the Dunk High Ups, the extra swishes and stuff. Some Blazer Lows, Blazer Low platforms with like a, is that like a canvas material, like a linen material? What the hell? Okay. Price is really good. Oh, I thought this was the women. Dude, got some Grade School. Look at the prices on these, especially with the 30% off. Holy cow. If you're a woman and you wear Grade School stuff, or if you have kids, that is just insane. Got some LeBrons in the Grade School kids. Witnesses. These are the Witness 6s. They're more up-tempos. That's definitely the cheapest I've ever seen those. Holy crap, and the price keeps going down. And some Genomes. That's pretty much about it. And got some shirts. Lakers shirts. These are what, $25 normally, $40. MPLS shirts. These are all smalls. I meant to say, I guess we're going to check out the clearance section of the apparel. Kind of just glossed over that. How much is this jacket? It's bright as hell, but how much is it? I don't know. I don't see a price tag. These shirts in medium as well. What the hell is this? Oh, one of the soccer hoodies, I guess. A soccer team? I don't know. What is this? I don't know. But $75 retail. Rams House, $25 for that. Fleece jacket, Jordan fleece jacket. Go for retail. Just, I don't know, prices ain't great. Not in apparel. I've not really just seen much. And I don't think they have refurbished apparel here. They do have that in the, they have that at the Nike Watts or Nike East LA. All right, let's grab these and let's get the hell out of here. Get the hell out. All right, so I ended up paying $42. That's just insane. $42 freaking dollars. I'm walking over here because I need a thumbnail. Maybe that right there. I think that's the thumbnail. Bam, done. All right, when we get home, I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna examine the hell out of these because I think a lot of you guys don't know much about the Refurbished program and stuff. So we'll open these up and let's look at it. All right, guys, let's take a look at these Air Force Ones, man. I just stole these Air Force Ones. I don't even know why I shared this with you guys. It's probably gonna make it harder for me to get stuff, but you know, I try to be transparent. I try to give you guys all the info. Let's take a look at the box, you guys. It does say it's a 9.5, and it is under the Nike Refurbished, and it is gently worn. All right, let's take a look at both of these pairs. Lighting is a little difficult. But super clean. The right side's actually the cleanest side on this one. No creases. Those of you guys that know the Air Force Ones, these take like 3 seconds to crease. If you look at them sideways, if you don't look at them properly, they do crease. Seriously, like within 2-3 minutes, you literally can tell that these do get creased. Don't see any wear and tear anywhere on this side. Laces are hella clean, and even the lining super clean, and there are no little cotton balls in there. Just super clean. And then the insole is clean as well. You know, usually you could like see like hair or cat hair, like just anything. You can see any sort of dust or anything like that, and there's just none there. Let's examine the left side right here. The left side has the tiniest crease, like right here, and you can only see it from certain angles. Like you can't see it from every angle, and it's like the slightest crease ever. But the rest of it's super clean. You know, the same thing with the laces, the lining, the insole right there, just nothing. And I forgot to show you guys the outsole. There's just zero wear and tear. I don't know how they classified this as lightly worn, or as Nike says, gently worn. My bad. But I don't see how they did it. I don't see how they did it. Super clean pair. Just stole these. I did want to talk about that because Nike, like on the Refurbished program, their labeling is super inconsistent, because I've seen ones where it says gently worn and then there's like zero wear and tear, and then we've seen returns at just the regular Nike outlets where with the regular boxes, and we've seen them worn as hell. We've seen them worn as hell, and they barely give us a discount. So I don't really understand how they classify things. I don't understand how who grades them. I don't really understand how things work. But the gently worn pairs, like the refurbished stuff, like I found steals. I found a ton of steals. The only things you really need to watch out for, if it does say cosmetically flawed, you really need to check your pair. I did find a pair of Air Force Ones. It was a 9.5 as well. And it did say cosmetically flawed. The Nike check was slightly yellowed, and like you really couldn't tell unless like it was in like the proper lighting and stuff. I still bought it anyways. It was like $30-something. And then I found other ones where it was like yellowed and stuff. So you really need to check your pair if you do find a cosmetically flawed item. But yeah, the general rule, if you find something refurbished, just take a look at it. And a lot of times you're gonna find steals, man. Even the resellers buy these and resell them. So you should be good. You should be good. Just make sure you check over your pair. But yeah, I definitely got these for a steal. This is like the biggest steal that I have seen in a long time. I'll be honest, the Nike outlets, I feel like I haven't found as much dope stuff lately. But you know, I just think flooded with resells and stuff like that. So you just need to get there early. You need to get there early, and you need to hit them up quite often, which you know, doesn't really work for everybody's schedule. But the thrill of the hunt, man, I really enjoy it, and when you find stuff like this, it makes me keep going for like forever. But yeah, it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. I hope this last portion was useful. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of buying refurbished stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and we'll take things from there. But yeah, make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button, click on that notification bar. I got plenty videos coming. Was out plenty this weekend. So I still need to hit up the clearance store. I haven't been there in a while. But yeah, I got plenty of videos coming. And yeah, stay tuned. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for making it to the end. See you guys next one. Peace.